Hi, in this video we'll be solving all the white corners on this white side. Okay, so this is white center, so we are calling it white side. This is blue side, yellow side. So we want to bring all the white corner pieces here. So it should be white, purple and yellow, white, yellow and blue. So similarly all the corner pieces. So we can solve these corner pieces just like we were solving a 3 by 3 corner piece of first layer or the white layer. So either you can use F2L, the advanced method, or you can use the beginner method. So let's say I found this white corner piece. So this is white, purple and yellow. So this white, purple and yellow piece will go at this place. So it should be on bottom. So what I can do, I can bring it on top and then see, okay. So I can simply do U, R, U prime, R prime, and this corner piece is solved. Now we'll look for another corner piece, white corner piece. So one is here, white, blue and red. So white, blue and red will go at this place. So we'll first bring it. So first we'll bring it on top of that place where we want to bring it. So we want to bring this white corner piece here at this place. White should be here, blue should be here, red should be here. So we have brought that corner piece on top of that and then do R, U, R prime. So we can simply do R, U, R prime for all the corners. So this corner piece is solved. Similarly, we'll solve the other corner pieces. This is white, yellow and blue. So white, yellow and blue will come at this place. So we'll bring it on top of that place and then do U, R, U prime, R prime. This corner piece is solved. So last two corner pieces left. So find the corner piece which is not solved, white corner piece. So this is white, red and green. So it should come at this place. So we'll do R, U. So we'll solve these corner pieces just like a 3 by 3 first layer or white corner piece. Okay, one last corner piece is left. Okay, it's on the back. So we will bring it in front first. And that is how we will be completely solving the white color. So after white is done, we'll make a yellow star. So yellow star means this piece, this piece, this and this. These 5 pieces should be yellow and it will look like a star shape. So first we'll try to solve this one. So here it should be yellow and blue. So we'll find yellow and blue HPs. It's here only. So first, so I can now bring this piece to this place by using this formula U prime L prime U L U F U prime and F prime. See, this edge piece from this place has gone to this. If I were to send the edge piece from this place to right side, then the formula is U R U prime R prime U prime F prime U F. Okay, so once we have solved this and this, now we will solve this piece, this edge piece and this edge piece. So we'll find a yellow and orange piece. So yellow and orange piece is here in my cube. Solve this yellow and orange and then I'll solve this one. Okay, I found it here only. So this is what we have to make, this shape. So once this star shape is done, we'll solve these corners also. So this corner piece, so it should have a yellow, a green and a blue. So we'll look for that piece, yellow, green and so because I want to bring this piece at this place, so I have kept this piece on top of this place, and then I'll do RU R prime U prime. So this piece got solved. Similarly, we'll solve these two pieces also. So after white, we have solved this yellow side. So once this yellow side is done, we will solve this second layer also. So this is first layer, this is second layer. So we'll solve this piece, this piece, this piece. So all these pieces on the second layer will solve. So first solve this one, so it should be orange and purple. So we'll look for that piece, orange and purple. And now I can put it from this place to this place. So this place is solved. Now this place and then this place. So it should have orange and green. So we have solved yellow. After that we have solved the two layers on top of yellow. After yellow we'll solve the blue side and two layers on top of this yellow. So this one and this one. After blue we'll solve red and two layers on top of it. So this one and this line will solve. After that we'll make a star, green star, and then we'll try to solve this green side. Bring it